Well, hello again. Yeah, it's been a while. There's lots and lots going on. No, not really. Lots and lots of sanding, maybe. So yeah, I figured we'd stop in and have a bit of a chat about the lovely dart, so we can see where we're at with it. Long story short is what we've basically been doing is, excuse our lovely ghetto trunk lock, but basically block sanding everything down. Getting it to the point where it's somewhere near getting close for epoxy. And today we are having the fun of working on the door jambs. Talk about soul destroying work. You'll notice there's a couple of parts in the car now. We're slowly but surely taking bits off as we need to go. The fun part is the dash has got to come out soon. Yay! I can't wait for that. So yeah, just starting to sand the door jambs down. These were, as you can tell by that lovely noise, were hand painted at some point. So that needs sanding down, same as that needs sanding down, and the same on the other side, and the dashboard, and the door jambs. Can you tell I'm sick of sanding yet? Yeah. So yeah, fun stuff like down in here has been an absolute nightmare. This took wire wheel sanding and lots of swear words, but just picked up the sealant to go back in that, so we've dug everything out because I really don't want to do this again ever on this car. It's yeah, well, she's getting there, that's the main thing. So yeah, we'll check back in a bit and see how we go with these. I'll just give you an example. That's where my son has started sanding. And if we come back over to this lovely side, I've just got the kick panel off of this one. Custom tip for you, always sand before you put paint on. So yeah, this side is going to be fun, I can tell. I can just tell. So yeah, back to sanding. And the fun continues. So we found a few interesting things in the door jamb. Pretty sure that's not factory. But yeah, lots and lots and lots to mess around with and play with. That's another fun section there. I'll show you the other door in a minute. That's even more fun. So, what have we learnt today apart from absolutely getting covered in dust? So, we have our original issues there that I showed you on the last little clip. We've started doing the trunk, which is always fun. So this had, you can see what's left of the little rust bubbles. So they're all out and that's being rust treated now. All down here has now got rust treatment on it as well, because that's always fun. And then we have our little issue over here, which is going to require just a little bit of welding, which is this guy. So let's see that. That's not meant to do that. But what I've since found out is these doors aren't original to the car. But what I did find out on the other door is at some point early on in its life it must have been involved in some sort of accident and they replaced these doors. But not only did they replace them, because back in the old days they actually replaced them with Dodge ones. So from the factory, but for some reason they were yellow. Maybe they came off a different car, who knows. But they're pretty solid, so that's good. But yeah, we've definitely got some fun with those striker pins, but it's better off knowing that now than when it's been painted. But yeah, we're definitely getting there. Fun times. So yeah, we'll let the rust treatment go off, and then the next video you'll be able to see what we managed to accomplish with this part. One thing I would say is it's not going to be we're not going for show car by any stretch. I want a very, very good finish on the outside, and reasonable on the inside, but in the same breath, I'm not going to be trailering this thing, I'm going to be driving it. So just bear that in mind if you're expecting a concourse build, but it's not happening. It will be nice though, she will look nice. So yeah, I'm still hunting for a hood scoop and some correct seats at some point, hopefully. Yeah, we'll see how we go, and I'll see you on the next one.